everybody. So, how is it going? Welcome to the Python programming series. My name is Neelu, and in the previous lecture, we had discussed about the if-else statement. This lecture, we are gonna learn about the while loops. So, with the while loops, we can execute a set of statement as long as condition is true. For example, in while loop, we have to define the initial condition. So, let's say this I have defined this x is equals to 1 and then I have written as this while state condition, and this while condition have this while is the keyword to define this loop, and after that we have to write the condition so that if the condition is true, then it will go inside the loop and will print the required result. So and then and then you have to increase that loop by some step. For example, you want to increase that step is equals to x is equals to x plus 2, x is equals to x plus 1, whatever it is. So if this true, then the condition will work. So this is about x is equals to x plus 2. If I write here x equals to x plus 1, then it will print all the numbers. So okay, so this is about the loop, and if we want to break that statement, we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. So if a while condition is true and we still want to break the state loop, and so we can say okay, we can write the break statement. So this is our condition, and I am printing uh, x, and then I am giving a condition that if so x is equal to 3, I don't go so further. So if x is equals to 3, then break this statement, and then use x is equals to plus equals to, this is an plus equals to is another way of uh, writing x is equals to x plus 1. So if always contain this colon, yes. So it is start printing one by one, because x is the step increment step is x is equals to x plus 1. So one by one it is increasing, but as this condition is happened, if x is equals to 3, so in this the x is equals to, so it comes out of the loop and it break the statement. So this is about breaking. If we want to continue our statement, so for this we have to use continue. So what we can do, we have this condition, and then we would like to increment this step, and okay, so this is we have condition, we are incrementing the loop, and if condition is equals to 3, then continue printing. So we need to use keyword continue, right? So this will continue the printing statement. So for that we have to write this print x. So you can see the result, right? So this is a very simple example of break and continue. with the use of continue statement, we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. So whatever is the current statement, for example, I have written it as x is equals to x plus 1, and while x is equals to 3, it break the statement and it continue uh, from that. Oh, alright. So now the next thing is else statement. You can also use else statement with this. So it's nothing much, but just let me copy this previous. So it is just yes. So once we want to use the else condition with that, you can also use else condition. For example, if this statement is true, then print x. If it is false, then go to else. So this is not if statement, this is just a else, while and with else print um, print your schools, whatever you want. So let's say this condition is yes. So this condition, whether this condition is true, while condition is true, um, and with the help of this else statement, we can run the uh, block of code once when the condition no longer is true. For example, this condition get false, and this condition is now no more true. First condition, then it will print the another condition, right? So this is just a way of looping while loop in our Python. In the next video, we will discuss about the for loop. So till that, bye bye and have a nice day.